Okay, so let's do another example working in the third octet. So, if we have 192.168.0.0 and our subnet is 192.0, the 255s lock in these guys. We get to play with these two. Our first rule, again, is let's break down this 192 into binary. We know in binary that should be and that is our subnet mask that we get to play with in binary. Again, going from left to right, it's going to be our first one, or going from left to right. Sorry, this is right to left, this is left to right. We are looking for our last one. That is in what position? That should be in 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. That should be in the 64 position. So that means our grouping is in the 64 position. What that allows us to do is, when we do our start for our chart, we start with 192, 168. We change them to 0 if they're not already 0. And then we're going to increment by our block size. And so forth. This would be to 256, which we know we can't do that. So our end. From previous videos, we've learned that we're going to go one less than our next ID, and that should be 63.255. Because remember, if we add 1 to 63.255, then that should be, that fills up that entire row, which pushes 1 over here. So you add the 1 to this side. 1 plus 63 should equal 64. By pushing the 1 from this side over, all of these become 0. That would be the 64.0. Next broadcast should be 127, 255. 1 minus the next one. Next one should be 191.255. And the last one should be 255.255. In the middle is our range. And remember, here, pretty much what we're doing is we're adding 1 to the 4th octet for our range. And for our end range, we're minusing 1 from the 4th octet. That way we can accommodate all numbers. This will be every number between 0.1 through 64.254. We don't overlap at the start or at the end. 64.1, 128.1, 192.1, 127.254, 191.254, 255.254, and that is our subnets. These are the different networks that we can have with this subnet mask. Thank you.